Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Elvino, Japanese Addiction. Hope you all are doing well. Please stay safe, wear your mask all the time when you go out, and enjoy this recipe. Please do try this at home. So guys, clean the parsley. Okay, remove end part of the stem. Okay, and then try to cut it as thin as possible. Okay, as thin as possible. Just you can see very thin. So try to finish it. Make sure it's very thinly chopped. Okay, make sure your knife is sharp. So as you can see, it's very thin. Okay, and this salad is very simple to do. Okay, please do try this at home. So guys, it will look like this. Okay, finely chopped. So let's begin with the other ingredients. So guys, to cut the onion, I need it very thin. Okay, so I'll give you a pro tip. Okay, like how we do in our restaurants. Fine dinings mean like you can do, if you can do how I show, you can do like this. Just give it a cut like this, then this way, and then chop. But I will show you the other way. Okay, just separate the onion like this, press it, and do like this, and then as you can see, it becomes very thin. Okay, so after that, so this is how we cut our onion, thinly sliced in our restaurants. Okay, see, as you can see, it's very thin. Okay, so if you can't do like this, so I will show you the other way also. Like for example, just give it a cut like this, like how we do, and then just give incisions like this, and then you can cut it at normal size also. So for this salad I need a little bit smaller, so it's fine. If you can do that, it's well and good. This is also good for us. Okay. For the tomato, I'll show you. We don't need seeds. Okay, just remove the seeds like this, and we just need this. So just cut it this way, and then cut it into small cubes. So this size. Okay, you can keep this little bit bigger, it's not an issue. So now just take 1 cloves of garlic, break it and remove it from the part. Okay, this and this along with the chili, finely chopped. Okay, the recipe is in description box, you can check for the grammage and the quantity. Okay, finely chopped green chili. If you don't like spicy, you can avoid this chili, and instead of this you can use any capsicum or mild flavor, mild spicy chili. So this is just to give it a kick. Okay, so you should add this in your bowl. So the story about this salad was like back in 2015 when I shifted from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. I got a new job, so I was looking for accommodation. So I met this Sri Lankan family, one of my best friend. Okay, so we used to stay there for a limited period of time, and one day he invited me for lunch. Okay, so that day they had made this type of salad. So from that day till today, I still remember the salad and I always make it. Hope you like it, guys. Please do share, subscribe, like, comment,
So we are working very hard on making the videos. Please do support, love, and stay safe. Use your mask every day, and thank you for watching.
So take one lime, okay, press it hard, then cut it and keep it ready for the salad. So after that I combine everything in a bowl, okay. So just add grated coconut, after this let's mix it and let's season it. Take salt to taste, okay, then freshly ground black pepper, okay. So olive oil, this is not extra virgin olive oil, the regular olive oil, okay. Juice of 1 lime, these are seedless, okay. Now the best part, you have to mix it. I'm using gloves, okay. You can use the spoon, but make sure that it's mashed like this, okay. Give it a nice mix and then try to taste for salt, and it's done. Make sure you serve this chilled, okay. After this I'll put this in the chiller for around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, so it gets nice and cold. So after that we will serve, okay. So it's done. Please do try this at home. This tastes so amazing that it was in my mind. So like for every week, once in a week, I try to do this at home and we enjoy it. Please do try this at home. See how beautiful it is. So let's do the plating, okay. I just put it in this mold and then okay, slowly remove and then put one lime wedge. Get done.